Let's start to have a look at how to add and delete columns easily by selecting them just with the keyboard. So once we are on our sheet and we want to select a column, we simply press Ctrl and the space bar. That allows us to select the column that we are in. If we want to select column F and G together, we hold the Shift button and the right arrow, once to highlight the second column and twice to highlight the third column. Now, if we want to go to the left of the column we have selected, we simply once again hold the Shift button, press the left arrow once to come back to column F, left arrow once again to come to original column, keep holding the Shift, and now we can go across to the other columns. This is a very simple way to add and highlight columns. Now say that we are at this column, we've highlighted this, now we want to simply add a column over here. So instead of having to right click and insert, we hold the Control and we press the plus. Control Shift and plus. That will allow us to add a column where we are. Now if we want to delete this particular column, you hold the Control button down and press the minus, and that will bring it back and remove that column. So once again, we can highlight as well the row. So with the row highlighting, it's a Shift and a space bar that highlights the particular row. And if you want to now highlight a row above or below, we can hold the Shift and just go one arrow up, Shift, arrow up, Shift, arrow up. And if we want to come down, we can just hold the Shift and bring the arrow down as well. Now say that we want to add a column here, we simply do the same thing where it's Control Shift and a plus, and that will add a row here. And to delete the row, it's simply Control and minus.